A British Airways plane was hit by lightning during stormy weather in Brazil. The image captured through video clips circulating on social media shows a lightning strike hitting a British plane. This comes after warnings about a powerful storm affecting the region, accompanied by active winds exceeding 120 kilometers per hour, along with rain and snow in the northern parts of the United Kingdom. The video shows a very strong lightning strike hitting the tail of the plane and electrifying it. In the end, we wish safety for everyone and urge people to stay cautious.